And I am glad that Trump said that he will throw to the garbage can yung TPP. Otherwise, it will still create a lot of problems for all of us here in Asia. We are promoting generic because we are a poor nation and we can buy the medicines at cost sa India, Pakistan. And yet, there is a dumper which says that we cannot, if we are a member of the TPP, you cannot sell. You still have to go to the branded ones, the multinationals, which are very, very expensive. And even yung mga diabetes, hypertension, and everything that's taken every day, it would cost a lot of money. And, to our disadvantage. Mabutit na lang hindi tinuloy ni Obama kasi napaka mali na policy yan. And it was initiated by it's an American idea actually. Kung sumunod tayo doon sa PPP, of which I think we will not qualify because we are not that modern in the sense that we have to catch up with the technology. Ang pinaka-example ko lang dyan sa TPP is mawala yung generic. We have a law governing generic so that we can buy cheaper medicines. Kung yung mag-TPP ka, hindi ka makapagbili ng generic. Either we bought from India and Pakistan. Talagang mura ang generic nila. And we can save a lot for our country. But kung pumasok tayo doon, nagkamali tayo, you will not be able to sell medicines na hindi branded. Then it would be a day ruled again by the rich multinationals. Yung mga bagay na to na apparently it is intended to help, but it is not. It's a reuse everywhere, every day.